Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Fantastic Kids YouTube channel. Guys, I'm not joking. I don't want to joke for this thing based on waiting the happen for Nigeria. Guys, it's just so painful. Say we guys, it's just so painful. Because you know why waiting the happen for Nigeria, it is so painful because why I get family back, I get brothers, I get sister, I get mothers, and I get I get almost 6 brothers, okay? So even my brothers, they don't face the brutality of SARS a lot, especially our last born. Okay, our last born is 26 years now. And almost 4 times, then they don't cash her. 4 times. So the first experience when you get with them, even a friend they waka they go, even a friend that is boy they go for road. The next thing, because why my family the base for worry, so now worry my brothers then dey, okay? So and so police just see them the way they take dress. Then my brother they carry dread. So police see the way they take dress. Now they stop them. The next thing, they start to harass them. Before you know, they carry they go police station. They can't go beat them with a friend. The second one again, when my brother just they come off for us, when all of my brother they live together. The next thing they all come the house, beat, they even break a leg, safe, carry and go police station again. They still go bail and they use almost 200,000. They give lawyer before they call is almost 150,000. Take bail, and guys, it's not fair. The third one again, when my brother they see they marry, as they drive they go, they dey on another car. The next thing, police stop them for road, start to harass them again. They start to accuse them, say they be kidnappers, they be armed robbers, they be this, they be that. God so can see my brother, they just drive past us. As my brother they drive past them, not be night they take see them. So the next night they quick stop for their front. Because they say what happen, they come they accuse them. My brother say no, na younger brother and I be this one, don't do anything. So before my brother they come settle those police people, whether SARS come settle them, they come give them drink now. So that since then my brother they come outside again, because you cannot work out for Nigerian freely. Since then my last born, if you do come outside, you just go buy what you want buy. You don't enter inside house. So the thing where they happen for Nigeria, guys, if you get your platform, sit talk, make they see hear your voice. Enough is enough. Even though we were with the diaspora, we feel not get that problem, but we get family back home. When he gets that problem, when they face this challenge, you know go fit drive good car for Nigeria. You know go fit get better phone. You know go fit dress as a young boy. You know go fit dress no modern dress. They don't want make you they dress like. I don't know someone to explain. I mean they dress so like all these old people, you know, fit dress modern dress, make they not talk say you be Yahoo boy, or you know, fit get laptop, you know, fit get better phone, you know, fit drive better car based on they will go accuse you wrongly. So guys, if you get your own platform, try to voice out so that many people see here, because we were with the Europe here, we get more liberty. I believe say we were with the Europe, we even get more freedom than people where they Nigeria, because majority of every day when you on your internet or when you on your telly or on your phone, and baba thing you go dey hear every day, the way they take keep people, the way guys, I not like war, because based on say I don't experience war for worry that time, that early 2000, yes now early 2000 they take fight for worry where we say a lot of people die, people lost their property, people lost a lot of things. So now make if you see worry people, and worry people, if they want to do something, they do it like OD. I want to if they very calm, but they know they if they start their own they be something else, guys. So I beg guys, if you not get platform, wanna see voice na own art, so that many people see hear Nigerian youth voice, because it's not fair. You go outside country, they go bully you, they go treat you bad. You go constant for your country. The same thing, you know, go feel waka freely. You know, okay, we were with the Europe, if we see they go Nigeria, the same thing. That is, if no freedom, We were even there Europe, another man country sef. Now we even can't get freedom down. The people were there for Africa, which is not nice, guys. Which is not nice. I pray that God should strengthen the youth where they do this thing for Nigeria. May God always give them strength. May God not let anything happen to them. Because the thing is too much, guys. I get younger ones. I get almost 6 brothers. I get younger ones. They know they work out freely. They know they do anything. They know it is so painful. Every day when I call them, maybe the day when I will see call them, I see talk to them, they will say their days. Why? They know they come outside based on you waka. If you too waka, they see you. If you don't turn to Yahoo boy, if they need short, that is in that country. I mean, not understand our leaders, so because the people where they lead us for that country, me not okay. You look now, their children now they are abroad the school. Many of their children don't even care, but now the poor masses they suffer, and which is not nice. God, may God protect and guide the people. Then when it be say they protest this, may they end this SARS and police brutality, because it's too much. You go South Africa now, so they see they treat our Nigerian boys they badly. You go China, the same thing. Okay, where they come want make people get peace. Okay, our country where we go see them, we see get peace. The government and the police brutality and the SARS brutality. Person no go get peace. Okay, where they come want make we run enter now. When they want me Nigerian people can't go, because if you go another country, the same thing. Okay, our country they know they treat them. When another country they won't come they treat them where. Guys, if not get now, me they wanna see talk, me they see maybe I believe say if audio influencer or maybe if you get Facebook, if you get YouTube, anyone. If you feel bring out your voice, you feel sharing for your this thing. I don't want to call them for the whole social media. I believe say other country they go see come to our rescue, because Nigerian youth they need their liberty. They need their liberty. You know, if you dress, so you know if wait the same person. Any small thing you say, they will say you be Yahoo boy. You know, if they work for better office, maybe you wear suit or dress well, use better car, they will say you be Yahoo boy, and which is not nice. Which is not nice. This thing is too much, guys. It's too much for Nigerian youth. It's too much. You know, go get your liberty. Okay, you go school finish. Yeah, okay, like my brother now. He goes school. He say may not be like say not be say the certificate he get what he want is and do, because may not be like say no go school. Now he take go go serve, do everything. Say because don't be say the certificate get what he want do for him, because even though with all the school where you go for Nigeria, work not day. If you not get influence, you not go fit see work for Nigeria. So it may you go, because may not be like say they say this one not go school. You don't understand. So now make and suffer go in school, serve, finish. Suffer keep the certificate for one corner. You understand me? With all the money where papa and mama go spend for you, may you go school. At the end, you go come. Some graduate they say they be keke rider. Some graduate they say they be bike ride. Not be say they don't get the strength to work, but no work for Nigeria. Okay, they go see embezzle money. They go see keep on Nigerian youth no go talk. Nigerian youth no go talk. Now they go see cause Nigerian youth say they are lazy youth. Nigeria no go talk. Now light then no go day. So okay, this small liberty where they get, just that small liberty where they go give them. Now they want come out for their hand again. And which is not nice. And their children not there than Nigeria to face all this reality. Their children do another country. Their children they school for London, UK, or whatever, or US. Okay, the people, they obviously, the average Nigeria, they not get that possibility to live that kind of life. Okay, they want to come out their own freedom for their hand. We would they diaspora, would they get more freedom? Would they get peace? Would they get 24 hours light? Would they get, in short, the government, the help, and so many things. Okay, people are for person in your country again. For person in your country again, person no go get the freedom. They go just, if they stop you, say you not get, maybe they see you now say you not get anything. The next they go put allegation for. Now so that we do our last move. They start they put allegation for say na kidnapper, na ambroba. If you see a very gentle and handsome boy, you quiet boy we know they talk. Oh, they put all those allegations. Thank God say they quick see them from the police station. Only God know what it for happen. You dey see, and so guys, I beg, make all of us voice out, make all of us bring our voice, make they see our voice, because we get, even though the thing where we did diaspora, even though the thing no they affect us, we get family back home, we get friends, we get family. When it thing they affect, they not feel waka freely. People they go do their business, they not feel go do their business daily, and which is not nice. This thing is too much. The killing is too much, guys. It's too much. It's too much. No liberty for that country. No liberty. That is, guys. That is, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. I feel so bad for people who are in Nigeria. I feel so bad for them. I feel so bad. My brothers, they know they come outside again because of police brutality or SARS brutality, because it's too much, guys. I felt so bad for them. I feel so bad for them, because while we were there, we get freedom. They feel they do things so peacefully and everything. But then within Nigeria, okay, you see the poor youth, then when they see come outside, when they see protest, they start to shoot them. They start to throw away water for their body. They start to put tear gas for their body, which is not nice. Which is not nice that way. They don't treat people that way. They don't treat people that way. They don't treat people that way. They be woman be, they not be good. And people, children, and be those ones then. You know, so when something over meet person, you know they know waiting, you know they know the value. You know, say if based on say not be their children, the thing they happen to, they don't give a fuck. They don't care. May something happen to one of their children. I can remember that time, very picking. I think when he get accident, now so that they run, may they for free put on for the best hospital. You not feel like but because so people when they lose children, it's not easy. You go born picking so that we as Africans, the way we take understand as Africans, we take make everybody they born when you born, so that when you old, your children will take care of you. Now, so I think understand Africa. They understand. But if they kill your children, now they kill the person children, and the person who won't take care of their mother, or who won't take care of their father when no picking day again. Why? Because of bad leaders. All those old people, they will say they don't supposed to go there, go grave. They lead Nigeria. In short, I did so short of ways. I don't know what to do for since how many days when you on your internet or when you go into social media. Now all these things then now you go to see the way police say they keep people, even till now as people see they cry, they come outside, the same thing. They still continue with that brutality. Oh God, I felt so bad for them, because when I see younger generation, then the way they treat younger generation, I can remember when South Africa, because I still get brother for South Africa too. Even then, when South Africa see happen, my mind not dey my mind now, my hand that carry my mind, because I get younger brother too for South Africa. Okay, so my mind not there, because why? Buhari not fit do anything. Niente. That is it is so painful. They so painful. Now so embezzle they embezzle money. Nigerian know they see they talk. Small liberty where they're supposed to give Nigerian youth. They won't collect them for their hand, and which is not nice. They so painful, guys. Mona see bring una voice. May they see here we will see day Europe. Mona see talk put. Mona even though you know they do YouTube, if na Facebook you get, still talk your own voice out, so that make see share them. Call your friends, call anybody where you know. More we see voice. If not that one, we go physically support them, because why? There is nothing we can do. So there is nothing we can do. If not only that one, we go physically support them. Post and bring your voice, talk your own for inside, so that at least maybe if you see they share and people they bring their own this thing they come with, they share, and maybe other country or maybe other people go see the Nigerian youth voice. They go see talk to those old fools there. May they see pity for Nigeria. May they ban these SARS, because not be the first time they done the ban SARS be this one. Several times they done the ban SARS. So but this one, Nigerian youth say they no go agree. They must ban SARS, because they go ban down, they go come back again. Our people, when you want protect you, go come turn to people when you go kill you at the end. Eh? For Europe, yeah, as far as we know, if you just, you not go even, not if you call police under 5 minutes, police don't dey here, and police they no they they not even get right to even owe you. Now they go even they beg you say you don't do. Police not fit do you anything. They not fit beat you. They not fit, or let's say you do bad thing, or maybe they see the way you they react before they go to, and they get the way they go see they owe you, because why? You feel sue them. If they see and sue, but our Nigerian police, you know, go even talk. They don't slap your face, and if they slap your face, you don't know when you go tell you talk with you not do. Because why? The slap when you go here for your face, the 5-star when you go come your eye, you go start to they confess with you not do. And which is not nice. It's not nice. If you know, if maybe they stop you now, you not get money, the next thing they go put life for your head. Or they go carry SARS or police that they get ATM machine for their car. Because why? Once any small thing that you not get, they go just shoot you. You know how many story we don't hear. You know how many story where we don't hear every day. If you be person where they updated for internet, you go supposed to understand, say, these people that they kill a lot of people every day. You know all those criminals there where we say all those ex-criminals them, because since we SARS day, because I can't remember, since when they put SARS, now you know go see criminal for road, because before you go there, now so criminal keep person for Lagos road, now so criminal, but since when SARS come outside, no criminal again, because now the criminal where they road now they carry proof for inside SARS, made they thief people. Who can be the Yahoo? The boys then when they do Yahoo and be the SARS or the police people, not be there be the Yahoo where they give license now they be. Because those people they be Yahoo where they give license, because you don't see thief where you say if they give gun. What do you want make it? You go just they keep people they go now, because why? They don't give a license, say you can do undo. Okay, don't we can't even make the youth can't even vest now. When Buhari say if police people stop you, if you follow them, make trouble. If made them beat you, made them roughhandle you. Now the youth say this one, don't pass, be careful. We not go quiet again. We must speak out. We must talk. May they hear our voice. Anything when want happen, make it happen. May those people, when you don't die, may they also rest in perfect peace, because the brutality is too much. Guys, the brutality is too much. Every day I cry in my heart. Every day I feel for them. Every day I cry, because why? I get younger brothers. Then I get brothers. God, it can happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody, anytime, any day. When death they come person the month, you know they tell us how they come today. You go just see person under 1 minute. That person is gone. You know go see him again for life. So now make God, more we speak out, more we make our voice, make they hear the Nigerian youth. Even though you did diaspora, anywhere where you did, make they hear our voice so that they will stop this brutality. Because I don't feel imagine for God, I don't want even talk go that side, guys. I don't want you to talk go that side. I beg, if you get social media platform, talk your own voice out, make they see here, maybe they see here, may you share, may they see pity for our youth. Okay, now if they kill all the youth where they Nigeria will come be the next president, who will come be the next senator. If they drive all the youth where they Nigeria, because many see say they not fit again. I make it see many from there. They from Europe, they enter sea. Not be say they not see the sea. Now within life and death, but majority of the youth they prefer to die for inside water than to die for Nigerian hand. For those armed robbers, they call themselves SARS. Because this is not nice. It's not funny anymore. It's not funny, guys. It's too much. It's not funny. No youth again for Nigeria. Everybody just around the country because you not feel safe. Now you even feel safe. When not be your country, now then you even feel safer past the so-called Nigeria. Where we say the old people, they not let people where they get peace. Their children not there to face this brutality. All of them, their children, they God knows where. God, if you get any, if na YouTube you be, if na Facebook you get anyone, Twitter or Instagram, see voice out, make they see hear our voice. At least even though na 2 or 3 people still listening to your voice, na still something. Guys, I beg, wanna see voice at least make they see hear our voice. Bring any platform where you get. Just talk one or two. If now one or two, just bring our out. Make people still hear. Make people still pity for us. Make they see talk to the old fools. Then make they ban this SARS of 18. Make everybody go back to their normal life. Make they start to live their normal life. Because most people now they know they do their business. Most people, God, I don't just know what to do. I don't know what to say again because they feel so bad for my bone. I don't want to hear any story. I just they feel so bad for my. That is, guys, I beg. Mona see share, Mona see talk, voice that even though you don't even talk, if not just to post that this thing for your platform, if not Facebook platform you get, end SARS, guys. Make they end this SARS of it and police brutality, and make government start to pay police. Our policeman go they receive 20,000 naira a month. That is 50 euro. Waiting down one buy. Even where they yes, if you know go 50 euro, no go even reach you spend for 2 days or 3 days. And person go they now make they see they behave like that. But the government them, me I don't understand, oh God. I don't understand all this press, all those old fool where they for our country. Me don't understand, oh. I don't understand them. I don't understand them, oh God. May God protect Nigerians. May God protect the youth when they. May God protect the youth them when it dey Nigerians. May God protect all of them in Jesus' name. Make any of them not die. Make anything not happen to any of them. Rather, it will go happen to their children. It will go happen to the police, the SARS, their family. In Jesus' name, God help Nigerians, help the Nigerian youth where they protest. May God not allow anything happen to them. May God always they cover them with her blood. God help them, protect them. No mother will ever lose the children. No mother will ever lose the children. No father will ever lose their children. They go do that process, come out successfully, and they go be victorious in Jesus' name. God protect and guide them. Anybody that come outside to protest, even though you not see come outside to protest, as far as say you be Nigerian youth, or you be mama, you be papa, you not there against this police brutality. God go always protect and guide you, because the brutality is too much. They say if something never happen to person, they know as they be, they feel like for a marrow of a bone until it don't happen to. So they say, so when you never lose person when it dear to you, you go know as death the feel for person body until you go lose the person before you go know say as death they be for person body. I will never lose somebody. Now you go they feel and say nothing they happen. But when you don't lose your loved ones and people were dear to you, you go feel and for body say this life not get duplicate. Life not get duplicate, guys. Not get duplicate. They know they see life they buy for market. So guys, I beg, mona voice out. May they see our voice. If you not get anything to contribute, if now your voice out, at least maybe go viral. They go see hear your voice. Nigerian youth, they are suffering. Nigerian youth, they not get peace again. You not feel work out freely for your own country. You not feel do anything freely without they not label you, say you be thief, you be armed robber. And the main armed robber, then they give license and gun to kill anybody unkillable. Whereas now those don't be the armed robbers the way we know. You where they suffer, they do your business successfully. Nobody, they kill anybody. They do anything. Now your business, they mind they go. Guys, I beg, muna voice out. If you get any platform, bring out your voice. May they hear your voice out, because the thing is too much, guys. It's too much, guys. It's too much. Please, if na Facebook you dey use, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, anyone, voice out. May they see here the Nigerian youth. We dey more safer here than people where they Nigeria, because it's not easy for them. They find it so difficult to survive. The police brutality and SARS brutality can't join for them. It's not easy. It's not easy for Nigerian youth. It's not easy for Nigerian family. Nigeria, if you be average family, see good, but there are people when there be people then when we say they're poor. To even eat once in a day na trouble. to even eat once in a day na trouble for that Nigeria there. And now you go see those rich people there, they go, they carry money, they embezzle money, they go different places. Now every day night they borrow money for Nigeria. Still yet, the Nigeria dey where e dey. They say that Nigerian be the giant of Africa. But you see as Nigerian people say they live. Anywhere where we go now, because of our president, oh, anywhere where we go, they don't see Nigerian finish. As we even there, if you go look for work for another place, if they hear say you be Nigeria, that work you no go see am. Rather they go give another African country, because why they hear say you be Nigeria, who cause am? Na our president. As we get money rich for Nigeria, now we even suffer pass. If not be based on say we dey travel where Nigerian people they travel where now we physically they support our family back home. If not, that is it, guys. I beg. If you get any platform, bring out your voice. Make they see hear your voice. I beg. May we see support people. Now the only way we go fit take support the night, but we see support people where they for Africa. Even though you not get mama and papa for there or brothers, you get friends there. As far as there they born you, you know people there. Bring out your voice. Make they see hear the Nigerian youth, guys. Please. Because the killing is too much every day. Now I felt for them so much, guys. I felt for them so much. I feel for them because I get brothers. Not even say they be my relation, the same mama, the same papa, my brothers, then the same blood line they flow for me and they vim. Not be say they be small children. The only person is still small, then be our last one at 26, now young guy. You know if you work anytime when I call her. Yeah, but she where you they go say in there for us, so you know they go anywhere. Oh, you know they go anywhere. Oh, in the inside us now arrest now day, because if you see me you from here to here, they don't stop you. Bring your phone. You know if you use better phone, say even they come outside, you know they carry better phone. Now this torchlight phone now they carry, they come outside based on control. My senior sister Pekin is almost 16 years. I see they fear for that one future because that one still small. And if you fear for that future, maybe they don't go stop the poor boy for road they harass. Now no, they see they come outside. For your own country again, you go become something else for your own country again. Okay, now if they drive us for Europe, now where the consumer will go. We not go back to our country because we know say that place not they safe for us. That is it, guys. I beg, if you get any platform, bring out your voice. Make they see hear your voice. Make we see talk. I beg. Because the killing is too much. I felt for Nigerian youth. I feel for them. God, help them, protect them. May nothing happen to any of them. May they do this process. May they do this thing successfully and enter and successfully. And may God touch all those old fools their mind. May they rebound this thing for life. May this thing not come back again. May this SARS of 18, this wish there, these devils, these armed robbers where they give last sense and gone. May they not come back again. Even the police them too. May they see they pay police better salary so that if they pay them better salary, they no go get mind to the thief people. God, that is God. May God help Nigeria. Just that we don't need God intervention. May God help Nigeria, guys. So now here I want to end my video. Guys, subscribe, hit the notification button where you see there, so that anytime I upload any video now, I will be the first to see my video. Thank you very much and God bless you guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.